Hi all, today I will show you Matra recipe. So we need to soak Matra overnight or at least for 4 to 5 hours and boil it with common salt. So I have already boiled it and I have taken some grated turnip and added into it. So you can add vegetables of your choice. All the vegetables that I am adding today are optional. You can choose not to add any vegetable or some of it or some other vegetable of your choice. So I have already added grated turnip. Now I am adding grated um, radish in it, some of it. Then I will add some finely cut cucumber. And add all of it. This is grated carrot. Finely chopped tomatoes. I like a lot of tomatoes, so I'll add all of them. Give it a mix. Now some few green chilies. So chilies, if you like more spicy, you can add more, or you can make it less chili. And this is grated ginger, so I'll add some of it. Some finely chopped coriander leaves. Now I'll add some white salt. And the main ingredient of this recipe is the black salt. I would suggest not to skip it if you have it at home. So add some black salt. Some black pepper powder. And roasted cumin seeds powder. Half a teaspoon of amchur powder. Now I will squeeze some lemon onto it. While giving it a mix. I would like some more lemon. So we are almost done with it. Now I will serve it in a separate bowl. Add some chopped onions over it and a few coriander leaves. So my matra are ready. We can have it like this, or we can have it with kulcha, chapati, and with kulcha it makes a awesome breakfast. Please do like and subscribe my video. Thank you.